Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Welcome to a comprehensive guide on PowerEtrade, designed to help you master this powerful trading platform. We will begin by showing you how to access your account and navigate the intuitive interface. You can customize your workspace with up to 6 layouts, each supporting 20 tools, offering a total of 120 charts across multiple monitors. This platform allows you to trade stocks, options, ETF, and futures. Plus, you can hone your skills using the paper trading feature without risking real money. Now, let's dive into executing trades efficiently. PowerEtrade allows you to quickly place orders for stocks, ETF, options, and futures all from a single, streamlined ticket. For options traders, the customizable options chain supports both simple and complex strategies, including four-legged spreads. If you trade futures, the dedicated futures ladder provides real-time market depth. You can also set up advanced exit strategies, like one cancels the other orders, to help manage risk and lock in potential profits. PowerEtrade offers robust tools for in-depth market research and analysis. You can utilize advanced charting with over 120 technical studies and more than 30 drawing tools to visualize market trends. The platform features custom and preset scans, allowing you to quickly identify potential trading opportunities based on your criteria. For options, tools like Snapshot Analysis and Trade Lab provide clear risk-reward profiles. Additionally, you can view real-time market depth with Level 2 quotes, giving you a comprehensive view of market activity. Finally, let's explore how to personalize your PowerEtrade experience. The platform offers extensive customization, allowing you to tailor layouts and tools to fit your unique trading style. You can link tool windows to automatically display the same symbol across all your charts and data. For trading on the go, the PowerEtrade mobile app provides full functionality. Remember, a wealth of educational resources and dedicated customer support are always available to assist you with any questions or needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.